Okay, so if you're like me, you may not have made a turkey in a long time, but you have to do it this year, 2020, during this global pandemic where people can't have large gatherings. So I'm normally one at a gathering, not actually hosting and preparing the main dish, which is our turkey. So I'm gonna do that for you guys right now. And I've already cleaned it really good. I took out the neck and all the other stuff that's inside, put that aside for the gravy. And it's nice and clean. Folded kind of folded the wings. I will fold it again after I season. So the first thing you want to do is put your oven on 350. That's what you want to do. So it's warming now at 350. The next thing that you want to do is take your butter, and some people melt it. Well, all you want to do is kind of rub it. Rub butter everywhere. That's what's going to make it nice and golden. So you want to get it all under the wings, the front, the back. You want to get it all inside. You don't want no ashy turkey. We just want butter everywhere. Next, we want to just take our little onion just for flavor. We're mostly gonna put like the onion inside. I'm just gonna have some onions laying around. I will cut up more once we put it inside our bag. We are going to put some oregano. My hands are slippery because of the gloves. So you just want to put seasoning as much as you can all around. These are the ones that I choose to use. Other people use different ones. Adobo, same thing. Just getting it all around your turkey. I like this. This is a nice kind of seasoned sauce. Next we have Lawry's. We're gonna put some Lawry's. That adds some color. That's a nice soul food seasoning. I'm gonna try to flip my bird. Add some more. Don't think it's gonna be too salty because all this is just gonna marinate in the bag. Again, the butter, you're still putting it around. Next, we're going to put some celery salt. Not too much, just a little bit for flavor. After the celery salt, we have thyme. Just gonna add a little bit of that. And soul seasoning. I like that. That one kind of pops open, so here we go. Same thing. Just putting it all around. You want to put some inside as well. And this is our turkey bag. So we're ready to put everything inside the turkey bag. And we are going to take our bird, our turkey, and we're going to get this 14-pound guy in the bag. Okay, inside the bag, we want to sprinkle some flour. And the reason that we're sprinkling some flour is so that the turkey doesn't stick to the bag. So you sprinkle in some flour. Put that in there. Any butter, we're just putting it around. And inside of here, we are going to keep it simple. We're just sliding in some carrots. So we're sliding the carrots in. And then at the very bottom, we're taking an apple for flavor. And the apple kind of goes inside our bag. And the last thing that we are going to do is we are going to take some stock. So you're going to take this, and you're not going to pour it right on the turkey because you don't want to mess up your seasonings. We're just going to Pour that all the way around. Give it some flavor to help with the gravy. There we go. And right before it's closed, I'm going to go back in with my favorite seasoning again, which is the Lowry's, which has the color. And then we're going to tie a knot. I will do that off camera. And then we're going to do some little slits. I recommend like 6 little slits so that it could breathe. And we'll tie that together. We'll put it in the oven. Because of the bag, it doesn't take as long to cook. So this will cook for 3.5 hours on 350 degrees. And voila, you will have your turkey. And that's how I prepare mine. Thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe.